Hey guys, this is Ryan with PC Battle Stations, and today we're going to unbox, review, and answer some of you guys' questions on the Secret Lab Titan Chair. And before we get started, I wanted to introduce you my helpers. This boy is Jax, and this is Nico. So you guys are ready to put together a chair? All right, guys, let's go. So we just put the chair together, and a couple first impressions is there's a little bit of oil on here that I'll just need to clean up. That should be fine. Also underneath the armrest should be fine. That's all oiled up, and nothing to be alarmed about. Basically they just need to oil it up. We'll just clean it up a little bit. So first impressions, let's take a seat. Not bad. Contours to the body real nice. I also like that the seat is not so buckety, so if you're a little bit bigger, should be fine. Doesn't really conform too much and restrict too much. It is a little firm, like a lot of people were saying. It's fine. After about a month, they say, it loosens up, it softens up. The foam is actually molded, which is good. It's not actually cut, which is really nice. And also the leather is polyurethane, PU leather. So that's kind of nice. I like the black suede on the black one. The armrest is what I really like too, is where it's fully adjustable, actually 4D. You can go back and forth. You can go in and out, and then up and down. And then also there's screws underneath if you need to bring the armrest in closer or out further. You can adjust those too. I had a little hard time with it's supposed to adjust like that. But at first it just says, to just simply adjust, the angle of it. And it kind of takes a little bit to kind of angle it. So just so you're not breaking it, just go ahead and just kind of adjust it a little bit like that. So over here, you have your backrest angle. Actually, what we need to do is lock this. This locks from going back and forth. That's probably better. So let's go back. Bring that up. And so this lever over here locks it so you can actually tilt back, which is nice. The whole thing tilts back. If you need to tighten it or loosen it, there's a little lever down here. So you just adjust that for your weight. Also, here's the little lever for the height adjustment. So go ahead and just kind of adjust it to how fits your body. And over here is the lumbar support. What I like about the Titan, it's actually integrated inside the back, the lumbar support. If you buy an Omega, you actually get a pillow. And here is the pillow that comes with it. So let's try this. Let's take a nap. So now I want to go ahead and talk about some of the questions that I've seen online. And if I don't address any of these questions, feel free to leave any in the comments. I've had this for about a week now, and it's definitely a good chair. One of the first questions was about quality. So the Titan comes in a prime PU leather, also comes in a soft weave fabric, and also they have the Nappa leather. And the one I got right here is the prime PU, which is a nice soft leather, but it's definitely not real leather, so you're going to want to take care of it. And they suggest using damp microfiber cloth to clean it off. Also, if you sweat, if you're in a hot room or a house, or if you sweat a lot, you can go ahead and just clean it off. Make sure you do take care of it. It's going to last a lot longer. And also with PU, it is going to peel if you spill on it and you sweat. Basically, that will get soaked in, and it will eventually peel over time. You don't want that. So take care of it. Clean it with a microfiber cloth on the prime PU leather. And also the real Nappa leather, also with the prime PU leather, you can use any kind of other leather products to clean it too. Another question I've seen people ask is, what chair is right for me? And Secret Lab has 3 chairs. The smallest chair is the Throne series, and that comes in PU leather, soft weave fabric. Comes in 3 different colors, which is the Spectre white, which is the black and white, Flash red, which is black and red, and Rush purple, which is black and purple. Comes with a head pillow, also comes with a memory foam lumbar pillow, and its recommended height is 4 feet 9 inches to 5 feet 3 inches, and recommended weight is anything less than 130 pounds. The second chair they have is the Omega series, and that comes in the prime PU leather, soft weave fabric, and the premium Nappa leather. And it has a lot more different colors. It actually has a lot more colors than all 3 series. And it comes with a head pillow, and it also comes with the memory foam lumbar pillow. And the recommended height is 5 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 9 inches. The weight is 110 pounds to 175 pounds. And the third one is the Titan series. And that comes in the prime PU leather, the soft weave fabric, and also the premium Nappa leather. It has a couple less colors than the Mega chair, but it still has a great selection of colors. And then it comes with this head pillow, and the Titan, unlike the other ones, actually has an integrated lumbar support. Recommended height on this one is 5 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 4 inches, and weight is anything over about 155 pounds. So this one worked perfect for me since I was 180 pounds and pure muscle, basically. What are you laughing at? So another question that I saw online, a lot of people were asking if they can cross their legs on these chairs. And the Throne and the Omega series, they have a little higher sides on the seat. The Titan, kind of a little less shallow. And we'll go ahead and try it out and we'll let you know. So flexible. Just tone my growing. Okay. Another thing I like about these Secret Lab chairs that they did a very good job at is the armrest. When you lean back, it doesn't actually hit the chair. So when you actually lean, it doesn't actually hit the desk, I mean. So you can be working and lean back, it's fine. And for those of you who want to know how big the chair is, here's a banana for scale. So another thing I saw online, people were afraid that, if it tilted back, they were going to actually fall over. Actually, that's kind of one of the concerns that I had too, so we'll kind of see the stability of it right now. Tilt back, it's hard to fall over, you can't really do anything here. If we get it all the way back. No, I think it's pretty sturdy. So these Secret Lab chairs come with PU casters, which are some smooth rubber wheels that are friendly towards most surfaces. And the Titan actually has an XL PU caster, which is a little larger, and it's for smoother movements and stability and durability. So final thoughts on the Secret Lab chair. I'm loving it, especially weekend. Can't wait to break it in even more, get a little bit softer. You can tell it has definitely good quality, and I love everything about it so far. What I didn't like is that I couldn't try it out before I actually bought it, and it was expensive, so that kind of why I hesitated, and that's probably why you were hesitating. But I say definitely go for it. I like the executive chairs. Everything I sat in though locally just kind of didn't have everything I was looking for or didn't meet expectations when I sat in it. So I definitely suggest it. Just pull the trigger and you won't look back. I give it 2 thumbs up and 1 banana.